Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the concept of dim. So first of all, what is meant by dim? Dim denotes dimension. Next, where we can use the dim? Dim is very useful while declaring the variables. Let me explain the process flow, how user can declare the variable by using the dim keyword. So here we can find the flow. First, user has to mention dim. Thereafter, write the variable name and as is the keyword. At the end, user has to mention the data type. User can declare both data variables as well as object variables by using this dim keyword. So here we can find the segregation between data variable and object variable. Now let me explain programmatically. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Here I am writing the code. So first I declared a variable by using dim keyword. Dim I as integer, I equivalent to variable name and integer equivalent to data type. Next I am assigning a value to this variable, I equivalent to 15. Next I am going to display this variable value on message box. Thereafter, this piece of code is useful to print the variable value in range A1, and this piece of code is useful to print the value from the range B1 to B15. Press F8 to start the debugging. Here output value displayed on message box. Now we can find the variable value in range A1. Next, variable value printed from range B1 to B15. In case of multi-variable declarations, we can follow below mentioned procedure. Instead of mentioning dim multiple times, just place a comma. Thereafter, declare another variable. In this scenario, mentioning the dim one time is adequate. Let me explain with one more instance. Here I declare two variables and variable names are I and Q. Here I provided data type as integer. Thereafter, I assigned text values to these integer variables. Now let us see how application will treat. Press F8 to start the debugging. Even though I assigned data type as integer, application saved text value into this variable. Now let me cross check with the Q variable. Here we can find application returned some error message as type mismatch. Means while declaring the variable, I considered Q as integer. Coming to assigning the values, I tried to insert text values. Hence, type mismatch happened. Now I am going to discuss about the first variable, which is named as I. If the user declared in this fashion, application considered integer for the second variable. Coming to first variable, application considers variant as data type, which is a default variable. Hence, application accepted the text value against this variable. So this is the brief introduction about the dim keyword, which is very useful while declaring the variables. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.